Few people are aware that coffee has long been used as a natural hair color. Coffee can darken light hair or add a lustrous sheen to naturally black hair. Most people have at least once in their lifetime dyed their hair, as it is a prevalent practice. Similar to how most people drink coffee, why not use that coffee to create a natural hair dye? It is significant to notice that natural hair coloring occasionally has shorter lasting power. It's also crucial to remember, though, that this hair coloring technique doesn't harm your hair. It may even make it stronger. According to the National Cancer Institute, artificial hair dyes include more than 5,000 distinct chemicals. Many of these substances have a history of causing cancer. However, coffee is an entirely natural product that will not only not harm your hair but even benefit it. Your hair will have the appropriate luster and hue while applying this natural coffee blend. According to a study that was presented in the International Journal of Dermatology's 2007 issue, this combination also promotes faster hair growth. The first option is a coffee rinse. Shampoo your hair first, then slather yourself in coffee. Then wash off after 20 minutes. To remove coffee from your hair, consider using apple cider vinegar as a rinse. After that, wash your hair with warm water. If you're not satisfied with the outcomes, repeat the procedure over a few days. This will enable the coffee to reach the hair follicles. The second option is a little more complicated. Make a pot of espresso or other strong organic coffee. Non-organic coffee probably has some extra chemicals in it. Allow the coffee to cool. Combine 1 cup of cold brewed coffee, 2 tablespoons of organic coffee grounds, and 2 cups of leave-in all-natural conditioner. Apply the concoction to your hair, and then let it sit for about an hour. Your hair will get a lovely chocolate hue from it without any harmful chemicals. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.